Let's see how we can use neuroscience to learn to draw quickly in a short amount of time with a simple but powerful exercise. We are going to base this on the construction of a neural network. Every time we learn something new, we are building neural networks. The more time we dedicate to the task, the stronger the neural network becomes and the better we will get at the activity. A crucial part of drawing something from reality as a reference is placing elements at the correct distance. This exercise is a practice for doing it by eye, quickly and developing precision. The more we practice it, the more we reinforce the neural network and the sooner we will improve our skills. All we need are these materials: a sheet of acetate, a Posca pen or any marker that's easy to erase. I prefer Posca. A paper towel, a bit of alcohol, hand sanitizer works great if you want to practice on the go, and of course, some reference images. This exercise is all about concentration and attention. It's done quickly but it requires effort. This effort is precisely what builds and strengthens the neural network. It's designed so you can practice a lot in a short amount of time. You can do it on the street, on your way to work or at home. Practice every day for 10 minutes and you will be amazed at the results in less than a month. I've never done it before. I thought of it as a way to make the journey easier for beginners. And now I think I will start practicing this exercise too because it's very useful. So it's great for both beginners and those who aren't. And if you are starting to paint, I recommend that you practice drawing the lines on one side and claroscuro and finishing on the other. Don't end up like me who learned finishing before drawing. The shadows were great, but the proportions seemed like they were drawn by someone else. Let's see different ways to apply it. coming video, we are going to check out another exercise that will help us understand perspective better. Support me by subscribing or hitting the like if you found the video helpful and want to see more in the future. Thanks for your time.